friends, it is Kelly and I am back with another video for you today, and today's gonna be a little bit different. I am working together with some fabulous scrappy ladies for a collab called Play, Make, and Share. And so what we are doing for this collab, and this is Scylla's idea for this collab, so I want to be sure to give her all the credit, and her link and all the other ladies' links who are participating will be in the description box below. So what we are doing for this collab is using scraps to just make something instead of throwing them away or, you know, destashing them or do it. So we want to create something just using our scraps, and some of the ladies will be doing travel notebook spreads, some of the ladies will be making cards, some of them will be doing pocket folders, just a whole lot of variety of projects and ideas for using scraps. And that is what I plan to make some cards, mainly because I need some in my stash. I have a lot of thank you cards and things that I need to get sent out, so I'm going to use scraps to make my cards. And what I have here is the Full Bloom collection, and I've created probably 3 or 4 layouts with this. I can't remember. It's anyway, so this is the full sheets that I have left. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 full sheets left. I'm not going to use those. What I am going to use are the scraps from the layouts that I've created. So I'm going to move this to the side. And as you will see, it is not a ton of scraps, but it is, I feel like it's going to be enough to make a few cards, and I have my card bases here. So this is my plan, and I also have all the embellishments and things that went with this collection and the sticker sheet. And over here I have some of the ephemera pieces. So this is just kind of what I plan on using to create a few cards. And so without further ado, I am going to just start scrapping. I'm going to put this on a little bit fast forward and add some music to it. So I will catch you at the end of the video just for a little recap. All right, thank you for being here and enjoy. have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 card vases just using those scraps. So I'm pretty happy with the amount of cards I was able to make with just a handful of scraps. And I wanted to show you, this is what I have left over. These are going in the trash. I did punch a tab. I might end up using that, but this is all that's left of those scrap papers that I had. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to go through my ephemera from this collection, and this is from the cut apart sheet. Some of these tags are from the tag cut apart sheet. So, and then some different ephemera, and I'm going to see what I can use out of here to finish these cards. So, and I also have some embellishments over here from the ephemera pieces, and stickers and enamel dots and some other things. So I'm just going to see where this takes me. Was one card, this went in the trash because I was like, I had an idea and it just didn't work out, and I wanted to show you this just so you know that nothing ever just goes perfectly. So sometimes you have to throw things away and be okay with that, and that's the case for sure on this one because I didn't like it. So just wanted to show you that went in the trash, unfortunately, but it's okay. So I still have 6 to work with, and I'm going to get busy embellishing them.